Two super easy rice recipes, tasty, healthy and filling. Yes, you heard it right. So let's begin with the number one recipe, which is rice cutlets. You can see the ingredients and can take screenshot. And so let's begin. I took these 3 veggies, onion, tomatoes and capsicum. So let's begin the tadka. For that, take up a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil. Now goes the rye, just 1/4 teaspoon. Then some cumin seeds or jeera, just the same 1/4 teaspoon. Then finely chopped onions goes in, एकदम बारीक कटे होने चाहिए. Now saute it for 30 to 60 seconds. Just after that, add capsicum, again finely chopped. Saute it for 30 seconds max, and just after your 30 seconds, add tomatoes. All the veggies should be finely chopped. So after sauteing for 30 seconds more, add your spices, salt, pepper and turmeric, any spice that you like, or you can skip any spice in case you do not like. So veggies tadka is ready. Let's move on to part 2 of this recipe. You need some boiled or cooked rice, and you have to mash it. You can mash it through this masher or through your hands. I have taken 2 medium bowls of rice. You can add rice according to your need and choice. After this, add boiled potatoes, 7 to 8 or 5 to 6, again according to your choice and need. Then properly mix it through your hands, and then add veggies into the rice. All the veggies goes in. Now again, if you want some more spice, you can add some more, and then mix it nicely through your hands or through potato masher, but better is your hands. Make the tikkis out of it, and when you make tikkis, remember to spread some oil into your palms. Now let's shallow fry it. Take a tawa, heat up some 1 to 2 teaspoon oil, and then enjoy the shallow frying process as you flip each side for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Add some more oil in case you want a tastier version of it, or you can skip adding some more oil if you want a healthier version of it. Remember to be gentle when you flip the tikkis. Do not be in hurry. And you see, it's completely ready. It was super yummy. I have to tell you, it was actually very delicious. You have to try this. Now let's move on to the second rice recipe, which is palak paneer recipe. You can see the ingredients over here on the screen, and you can take screenshot. So let's see how you can make this super delicious rice recipe, which is amazingly healthy. So you need some palak, washed palak, at least 1 bowl of palak and 1 green chili. Add half glass of water, grind it. Don't add more water, just like I have added. You see, it's ready. For tadka, I have taken onion and tomatoes, 2 to each. You can change according to your need. Now I have taken 1 big full glass of rice and wash it thoroughly. Then take up some paneer cubes. The preparation is ready. Now let's start cooking. So take up a cooker, add 2 to 3 teaspoon of mustard oil or any oil that you have, but mustard one is completely healthy. Now add jeera, rye and tej patta, all in 1 teaspoon, and tej patta is like 1 tej patta. In hot oil, add your onions, the big sliced onion. Stir them a little and cook it for 30 seconds until it becomes a little golden. And now add that green palak ka paste and stir it with onions. Stir it gently, nicely for 30 to 40 seconds. Then add Indian seasoning. salt, red pepper and turmeric. Then stir it a little, and just after that add our tomatoes. It's going to give amazing flavor. Stir it gently. Now add in all the rice that you just washed. Now add double water, means 1 glass of rice is equal to 2 glasses of water for its cooking. After this, add in paneer pieces, the favorite part of it. Just stir it very gently. Now cover the lid and give it just 1 whistle. I've given 2 whistles, that is why I'm steaming it out. Now let's open the lid to the very delicious rice. It's completely ready, but remember to twist it gently, very gently, okay? You do not want to break it, right? Take the rice out in a plate. It's amazingly delicious. It's very tasty, and rice is not going to put your weight on. I hope that you like the recipes and you're going to try it. And if you do, make sure to subscribe, share and like for more.